Good morning dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is makeovers from leftovers. I have some vegetarian hakka noodles. I had made them last night. So I'm going to use these, add them to the eggs and make a nice breakfast. It's going to be a nice and thick omelette. You can add other things also like onion, coriander, basil, whatever you wish, even cheese. Kids would love cheese also. So you can make this nice thick omelette which is perfect for kids' breakfast or even their lunch box. They are going to enjoy it thoroughly. So shall we proceed to make it?
Veg hakka noodle omelette. It's a delicious and filling breakfast. For this we'll require eggs 4 and some leftover veg hakka noodles 1 bowl. Oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. 4 cherry tomatoes. Few basil leaves. If you don't have basil, you can use oregano or any herb. Salt to taste. Some green chillies 1 or 2 chopped finely. 1 small onion finely chopped. And finely chopped coriander leaves, handful of them. First we are going to break the eggs into a larger bowl for mixing. This serves 2 people. Now this is done. Add little salt as required and whisk the eggs using a balloon whisk. A small request to the new visitors, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications whenever I post a new video. Here we go, the whisking is done. Let's add the ingredients. Green chilies, onion, some coriander leaves, basil leaves. You can tear them with the hand. This is actually a tip. It gives out lovely flavors when you do this, because you are crushing them with the hand. Now add the noodles as required. First I'm adding little and then checking. After mixing, if you require, you can add more. So the entire bowl full of noodles has gone into these 4 eggs. Mix all these things very well. It's a lovely way to use the leftover noodles. Give it a nice whisk so that all the ingredients are blended together. And the flavors of the basil, coriander also are incorporated into the egg mixture. Ready to fry the omelette now. Take a pan and heat about 3 tablespoons of oil. Spread it around and pour the egg mixture when it is hot. Use a little deeper pan because the omelette is going to be thick. Spread it around evenly. Now place the cherry tomatoes on top. I am going to cut it into 4 pieces, so I am putting 4 tomatoes. Cover the lid and reduce the flame to medium. After about 30 seconds or so. Check if the base is firm. Now put the lid back and reduce the flame to low, because the top has to get cooked still before flipping it. Now it is cooked little more so that we can easily turn the side. After 1 minute of slow cooking, you can carefully flip the side of the omelette. Now leave it on low flame until it is done. After a while you can check, lift it and check if it is done. Yeah, perfect. Transfer it carefully into a serving plate. Beautiful. I am cutting it into 4 pieces. This will serve 2 people. It's a great breakfast dish for children especially. Look at this nice and thick omelette with noodles. So friends, do make this and enjoy. Your kids are going to be delighted to get such omelette which has noodles in it. So stay tuned for the next recipe. And thank you for watching till the end. And some of the videos from my collection are shared here. You can check them out as well.